Hey Dad, we are having is what most people don't live in Michigan. This is just a snowstorm. You can see it's already fairly deep. It's also very cold out here today. Snow is blistering the face like nothing. Your kids playing in it. This is just nuts. As you can see, it's just today. Just sit inside. So awesome. But this is for you, Diana. A little bit of Michigan weather. I'm going to take a few more shots for you, and then I'm going to head inside because the wind is starting to kick up and blowing in all directions, and it's really starting to sting the face. Even though I'm wearing gloves and everything, it's all still going on. So we'll get you a couple pictures like I promised, and now you have to promise to come out here and see it yourself. Love you, sis. Mwah.